Hello everyone and welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. I'm Danielle and I'm going to go ahead and tell you all about this 2021 Honda Pilot EXL, 34,000 miles on it, and it's in silver. So let's go ahead and check it out. First up, you're greeted with keyless entry, so you can go ahead and get into your car with your key fob in a purse or pocket by just unlocking it through a button. If we go ahead and take a look up on the dash, you'll see that this Pilot has 34,000 miles, like I said. Then over to the right is your center screen and stereo controls. So for your home screen, you can see that for your stereo, you have your regular FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can go ahead and easily access phone and connect a device that way, as well as you have your FM and AM radio access, and you can adjust your sources, seek, tune, everything like that. And then if you can go ahead and go over, you have, of course, your settings, and you have your display, camera, vehicle, everything about the car that you need to know. Down below here, you of course have your reverse, and you have a backup camera with 3 different camera views. So you can go ahead and outward, downward, and out. And you also have your alerts for if a object or something is coming towards you or near you, it'll beep and let you know. You can go ahead and put it back into park. And then of course you have your manual volume and everything like that on the screen. Down below you have your hazard lights and then your manual climate controls. So you have your digital temperature, and you can go ahead and access and change the temperature, as well as AC, and you have dual temperature for both the passenger and driver. And then you also have access to the rear settings of unlocking it, locking it, settings on and off. Down below that, you have heated seats. So both the driver and the passenger have 3-tiered heated seats. Then you have a little storage or cubby for the key fob, whatnot. Then you have charging ports and some storage. So for right here, you actually have buttons for your gear shift. So you have your drive, neutral, reverse, and of course park. Right here you have your key fob, and right up here is your engine start stop button. You use your key fob for, you have remote start as well as trunk release. Nice and handy to start your engine and not need your key. Of course you need it close, but not exactly a physical key. Then for in the center console here, you have another 2 charging ports as well as lots of storage. And you can go ahead and have it open or close, whatever you prefer. Then you of course have your armrests that are adjustable. A nice added feature is also a sunroof that you can have open or closed, whatever you like. You also can have it all the way open or vented. Nice little feature to let some light in, let some fresh air in, everything like that. Now let's go ahead and take a look up on the steering wheel. So on the right hand side, you have your cruise control settings as well as your lane keep and media. With your cruise control, you have adaptive cruise control that you can help have a car in front of you and still keep a distance that is safe. Then on the left hand side, you have your stereo controls, which you have your home button, volume, hands-free calling, voice commands, as well as you have your settings for up on the instrumental panel. So you can go ahead and access your phone, units, settings, maintenance, everything like that. Now for behind the steering wheel, you have your mirror controls for the left and right, your eco mode, as well as your lane keep, pre-collision alerts on and off, as well as traction control. Then of course on your door panel you have your window controls, door locks, child lock, as well as memory seats. So for the interior of this Pilot, you have a leather that is tan, and it is super comfortable as well as adjustable and lots of room. You have both the driver and passenger seats that are automatically movable. Nice easy adjustments, and with the mirror seats you can go ahead and have multiple drivers and save your preferences. Also on the door panel you have your trunk release and gas release for the manual. Let's go ahead and check out the back seats. So on the door panel you have 2 cup holders, some storage, and then lots of room back here. For the back of the center console you have your own vents as well as climate controls. You have a digital temperature as well as charging ports down below. You also have a middle seat that folds out to be an armrest with cup holders. Nice and convenient feature and can be used at any time. Then you also have multiple ways to go ahead and put the second row forward and have access to the third row. Back there, the third row has 3 cup holders, some storage, as well as their own adjustable vents. Easy as that, and you also can have the second row easily put back. Overall, a great space. Let's go ahead and check out the trunk area. So right under the Honda emblem, you can go ahead and press the button and it automatically lifts the gate up for you. Nice and easy, and then you have access to the trunk area and third row. Then if you ever want the third row put back up, you can go ahead and do that very quick and easy. Still plenty of storage with the third row up. You have a charging port back here, as well as cubbies on both sides, and the divider has more storage underneath, as well as some tools and your spare tire way underneath it. But overall, a great space, and you can put down the third row for more storage as well. We can go ahead and shut the trunk. And with that, I think is all I have for this 21 Honda Pilot EXL. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. We'd love to talk about it, take it for a test drive, see if you like it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.